teenagers organized this all by themselves. No adults were allowed on stage to speak. And with over 700 marches underway in American cities and another 100 globally, it was the largest single day of protest in the history of our nation's capital.
Raleigh, North Carolina, Tampa, Florida, Central Los Angeles, all echoing the same message.
And when a message is urgent enough, sometimes help arrives.
City of Flint, USA, May 5th, 2016. POTUS has arrived.
The people of Flint had one last beacon of hope.
We were all invited to this big thing where the President Obama was going to